your girl.
Happy Friday to all of my co-parents out there. It is that time of the week for me where kids go with their dad for the weekend, so I am going to be packing all of their essentials that they're going to be needing for the weekend getaway. Since they're gone for 2 days, I'm going to be packing them 2 color coordinated outfits each. I'm going to be packing them 2 pairs of socks, some pairs of underwear just in case, you never know. And I also, just for backup, pack them some Tylenol because you honestly just never know with these kids. I also make sure to pack their lotions, perfumes, or colognes, whatever it is. This Zara perfume is my all-time favorite for my son right now. If you guys have not purchased Zara perfumes or colognes, what are you waiting for? They smell so good and they last so long. Also, this perfume, my son's grandma gave it to him for Christmas, so I'm going to be packing that also. Now, I don't know why my video did not record the first part of me packing Chloe's bag, but I am packing her some extra clothes because she's supposed to be working out with her dad over the weekend and she's going to be needing them. I also forgot to pack Lorenzo a sweater to match this outfit right here. If you live in Georgia, you know the weather has been changing like crazy and apparently it's going to be freezing cold over the weekend, so I got to make sure my babies are staying bundled up. I also make sure that I pack Chloe's second bag with all of the essentials like her Touchland, her face wash, her deodorant, even though her armpits don't stink yet, her Sol de Janeiro products that she has for Christmas, and also this Glow Recipe product she has for Christmas. Don't ask me, she asked, I don't know. And also I'm going to be packing this brush and then her portable heated straightener brush.
I know where Sonic.
You know where Sonic? Okay, here. You daddy said you can wear Jack's. Put it on. And of course, Lorenzo wanted to wear his Jax from Digital Circus costume. He literally lives in this costume, you guys. If you follow me on Instagram and you have seen my stories, then you know how serious this obsession is. Okay. Are you excited to see Dad?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
And then he completely changed his mind and wanted to wear his Sonic pajamas, all because he didn't want to wear a t-shirt under his Jack costume. One thing I'm not doing today is arguing about it. Now moving on to the next child, we're going to be doing Chloe's hair with her portable brush. This is a straightener slash brush in one, and it leaves her hair super sleek, shiny. I will go ahead and leave the link down below for you guys so you can purchase it for your kiddos or for yourself. And then we headed out to Target to meet with both their dads. Chloe was actually the first one gone, then Lorenzo, and then I had to go to work. Bye.